guys, we are about to go and fight this storm. Once and for all.
We're about to see Manny, Sid, and freaking Diego out there.
The Ice Age people?
Yeah.
Bro, because they're plotting right now.
Yeah.
And they're trying to get their revenge from the last movie.
Mm-hmm. And look.
Hey, and you're like, oh, they're actually trying to rescue you because you look like a little boy.
Oh, yeah, I do.
So they're actually trying to come get you. But we're not going to let them take Julian.
Yeah, but they don't know what's coming. Me and Porgy have been working on some crazy technology.
Yes, our technology. So,
look, if you need
this
to
is
call
our technology. Bro, this is the state of the art storm.
Anti-perspirant. Never been used before.
We call this the anti-perspirant.
Yes, it is a game changer in the industry, and it will save the world.
All right. Well, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we ought to stop it before it hits us. Yeah, wait.
This should be the
thumbnail. There we go. Yeah.
Bro, this is what we need. Look at the sign. Look, Julian, look at the sign. This is what we need.
Oh yeah.
Do not be anxious, for I am your God. Isaiah 41:10. oh, and we're already at it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The storm has no idea what's coming. This is just a little taste of what it can expect. Boom. That was really good. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm shaking, but I'm nervous for the storm.
I am too.
Someone call an ambulance, but not for us. Wait, Jackson, do you want to see something?
No.
Bro, because he doesn't need to say anything. The storm sees him and it already knows that trouble.
I saved my words for the storm.
True. Yes, bro. Bro doesn't just walk. He doesn't talk the talk.
Storm,
he walks the walk.
I'm good at one thing. Well, two things.
Eating
cookies and kicking butt. And a lot of cookies.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The RPM is crazy.
You don't want to look. You can see it's already coming out.
Oh my gosh, bro. Hello, Storm. Welcome to your end of days.
I think it's time for it.
Bro, it's Judgment Day.
I gotta record you. It's time.
It's time to activate the antiperspirant snow device, mechanical device, or what do they say? The antiperspirant combat. Wait, what is it? Freaking fin or the Kaiwa Chin Meatball say?
What?
The flinch server.
I don't know.
From Kaiwa Chin Meatball.
I forget what it's called.
The flinch server.
All right.
Okay, and then all it needs is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. All right, and now we wait. Wait, but we have to charge.
All right, it's on.
Let's go this way. Wait, it's on, and it's dangerous. Armed and dangerous. Are we ready, guys?
I think so.
Listen here, Storm. You may have scared us. Wait, what does Katniss Everdeen's speed? Wait, what's your speed?
I don't know, just go. I'm bold.
Wait, no, Katniss Everdeen. Look, you see this? You see this, Storm?
Fire is catching.
And fire is catching.
And if we burn,
And
you
and
burn
if we
with
burn,
us.
you burn with us. Wait. Oh! Oh no, it wasn't strong enough, dude. We have to use our powers now. We weren't prepared for this. Oh, we're new. We're new with our powers, and we didn't want to use it. We were relying on the new technology that we were developing, but we have to. We need to have it. We need to stop it before it gets any closer. Okay, enough talk. Let's get this done. 3, 2. This is for.
Here's to the ones that
You messed with the wrong family. Yeah.
I don't think we can hold it off too long.
Wait. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, we're not enough. Wait. Jackson. Where is he? Jackson. No. Wait, we're not enough. Wait, no, he's and it's.
On your own, searching